Hi, this is Nobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs North, Polokwane City North. Poti, what's your name? Where do you come from?
I'm Patrick, the messenger.
Yeah.
From
You are here to send a message.
yeah.
From where?
From Vanderbilt, but came it's a piece of branch.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah.
What is your message as a messenger to the Kaizer Chiefs number one goalkeeper, Itumeleng Khune?
You know, Itumeleng Khune is one of the best goalkeeper in South Africa. In fact, in Africa.
Yeah.
So I would love to say thank you, Itu. Thank you so much for your service. We really appreciate you.
Yeah.
And I pray that God bless you. I pray that God be with you in everything.
No.
Itumeleng Khune, umopilo.
Yeah, no, thank you very much, brother. And then how do you feel about the game here today?
This game was so disappointing. Very, very disappointing. We are not used to this pain. But at the end of the day, it's very painful. Yeah. You see, it's a lot of money, but there is nothing happening.
Exactly.
So all players, I don't know, Coachy has a big problem, but I don't blame him because he's an interim coach.
Yes,
so I can't blame him. I can say it with all his heart because what's by the end of the day,
exactly.
So we really need a new coach. But at the end of the day, they don't introduce coach in time.
That's a thing. No, the problem with Chiefs, they always want their fans to keep guessing.
You see,
and the media will come and
this is
bring their coaches.
Our last match at home.
Exactly.
FNB.
Exactly.
But to introduce a coaching, high. That's
wrong because of our Sheba coach before even season replace because it's obvious we know what about replace at least a game or two, maybe 5 games.
5 games,
and then I think understand. But which
what's on my brother? The defense.
Yeah.
It's like we are nothing to Kaizer Chiefs management. We are nothing. Sundowns, Mandieta or something.
Mendieta.
We asked for the guy. We asked for Mayo. We didn't get those players.
Reyners also. Yes.
Police. Like Kaizer Chiefs is very painful. Very, very painful. It's like Baba Pala. They are playing.
Exactly.
What kind of match is this? At home, they celebrate Itumeleng Khune. 4 row. They celebrate the birthday Castillo. 4 row.
It's wrong, my brother.
How na mutoka meet a man of the match here?
No one.
Maybe
a police.
Yeah. Definitely.
The
guy is good.
Yeah.
In fact, for
Kaizer Chiefs next season. Yeah. Let's hope for but the problem go Haka Thoma Atura.
So my brother, one thing next season, just imagine Kaizer Chiefs without MTN 8.
No, thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey,